Yatna say ewo Kent Cap Cafe Shop and so ye de nkomoda anase nkomo a emu de and so ye de ba na ye de abesomo na sha so say Kent Cap Cafe Shop ewo Kumasi City Mall inside where breakfast say tea cafe afa nuane sema ka ho nyina cheese burger fries any smoothies ahodo ni nyina no ye abomoden abra and am say wo mo nuane a ede ubedi bie na wanya hoho so na pa ba bi ene o matena so abomoden efa won ebra number no etwagum e wo screen no ase Kumasi City Mall inside hwa ene so yatena se ya ye de nkomo a emu ode ebe somwo Akoma 87.9 FM and afei Akoma TV e wo YouTube ene so ye nya ye maame ba ko e wo ha ye no etwe nkomo mekasa ye maame nkomo no ekọ animu no beti asem oyo obi a Nsem twerɛdwuma no wabi mu pa asomo emfinhia aduonu enie ene gisam ene se na wotwe ayesimu yi na wotwe ni nyina wode hyefa amawiase nyina hu sampa wabo adwuma emfinhia aduonu a wasom se Nsem twerɛni e wo man Ghana mum eno tie ne ye de natena se ye bedo asukọ akona brabom enkanka ene na kwantuo ye a wofa edisi nene so e wo Nsem twerɛ adwuma mum wati Beatrice Spio-Garbrah wonim din no nanso ebia na wonim animu anase enipa sa edin kese eda no so no tie ne ye de no ebetwe nkomo mama good morning.
Good morning.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Papa will say I same to you.
Thank you.
Why are the official duonu odi aye journalist e wo man Ghana me sefata se ene ye no twe nkomo na wode wabrabo esoso etu obi a opese wo ye nsentwo ne nkanka e wo man Ghana sade nsentwo for ye tibia no esitiem ye ni mo se Beatrice Spio-Garbrah ye ka idi ni kakraka TV so ele ade babody no so nipa no so ye heavy ye nim edi no nsentwo ne but ye yi Beatrice Spio-Garbrah nsentwo ne eto enchen a wan ene anti bi anase Beatrice Spio-Garbrah
e wo kwan bezu
ye pese ye hu abose baby a wo fi
okay yo ene sene o kan no Beatrice Spio-Garbrah na din my official name
okay
but me din a oba na me hu se woni me pa mama obiniwa
okay
isan sem papa de me to onana
okay
nti me din a oba Kenyan me mam biniwa anase mama obiniwa me papa ene me mama mba me na mtoso mienu but man de me na me di kan
okay
me call primary school or KNUST primary na me call that time na JSS and then I JHS
okay yeah
see me wie ye no na nyame adom me call Kumasi Girls secondary school and then there Kumasi Girls high school and the time na na SSS sa trainer nse sanya ba ya be
na mo ya hema
no account me your hema Beatrice Spio-Garbrah Kumasi Girls na me wie 1998
okay
ti me wie ye no na mama mo pesimet na fie nti o mama that time na fi na computer ba so kakra nti o mama ko ye sa ayi ese ko computer class nti o mama ko ye kakra
okay
ansana nyame adom me hu say me pese me ye nsem training na nsem training nye se me hu no baabi mi so na me nyi na me hwe TV ni nyina no na me hu Beatrice edumu a so mo kan news so GBC a na ye me fe
okay
ti mi am ka se ade we dem pese me ye pese me kan news ana me ye bibia ai se nipa be hu me
okay
nti ne ade mienu na wo me mu ana me pese me ya ida se me ye nsem training ana me ye doctor na se me ye nurse nti either a journalist or in the medical field you know so anyama mienu we na na esi me ni so nti me ye computer classes ne kakra na mu na no na me ti school bi nka IBMNJ Institute of Business Management and Journalism na the course started wo in the year 2000 na a 2-year course nti me ye wie ni mu no late 2002 na me ye wie ni mu na me nya attachment wo achepa Invisible FM they say di ni hobium but mo frequency no station foforo na ato a omodi ye adwuma sese na me koye attachment kakra wo kwa na me knew said that time ne friend na ya kunadu ya adom and this is oboni die won central adwuma ni mu a otimu bodimu pa o ye adwuma wo Peace FM
okay
sese ya nti bebe wo bia wo hwe ya na so bi beti bia madana se but me san ya fa kwanya we say so assign their dana says and say me titi yemu no e ho na e sha se free because me nya call practical field no theoretical field ni wie no na e wo se me ba practical ti practical ni de na ya nsem na me fai
ti ukosua book mu de ni
wie no classroom de no so the babon tin de be ye adwuma nti na ya ho na me ba ya ono so de metete mu kakra ansana na me ye madom na me nye adwuma capital radio capital radio no meka say eye nyame adom ene bia ebusua mu so kakra because na me papa kontapa ne ba ne loving sea that time no na programs manager e wo capital radio na papa konta so e ba no nti oye na ne ni di nkomo se ne ba bi nso akọ journalism school ewie sisanko betimi ama na beye I say internship and access service bi I say no musa kakra wo kwa obeye ne de nti ono so kan ne wansa na mako school na ewie ne de na all family na ensheda ha dream bebre na oyewe o ma me beye adwuma nti man ko ye adwuma straight o ma me de me certificate na enyama bae na me ye adwuma ne kakra nti wan say capital ho no me start ho no 2003 at the session ya osika ye no 20 years mu ana ye we ye ne man nti me call ho no na me ye reporter na kwa bon talk of news aba na kwa news aba na fe me news editor that time Sambonsu aban but ya say ya but o takwa je say dem gidi so wenyini pa because yen time no kra no na ni mfie ekonanim nti ono so ka say obeye me main news editor that time because after na fe dem be full journalism working nti ono ene che that time na nne recording ni ho nti BBC no utie BBC news na 3 o'clock utie na utie na o transcribe for the pen and paper to hold utie no abo stop no what utie o recording news ni nyina eri nti eri a na wo tro ansa na ya ye ho adwuma ma news editor na hwem e dia ma news readers no nti e ho na yenya asantete ni nyina edi fie na afi o mahu so metimi akan news nso no mo start so mo egu me kakran se ne be kan news nti wo de me start business news de na ye be 10 minutes anopa bia 8 o'clock na me stru microphone enye ne ya o de timani ma na ma sha se me kase na me stru microphone pa nti me business news na me record it so I say me pack me production no e china de no sabe ma sha se ye me production nti me nyen wie na enwumre be 5 na me be pon no na ma recording news na to ho because na me stress no kwa kwata microphone ma me kana metina na ye brofo so nti me yet to be one to that time na loving steam near me programs manager bio na love kosi asise say oda ho a wo capital radio na wo ho see they be almost na a morning show no nti okotina ha business time be so to so na technicians na bebo news no but me ankasa de ye hume see that could be your phone show no friend me call me office no say it's either I master the courage to read the news or I stop doing the business news and also believe say metimi akan me betina microphone any life metimi akan nti I should shy away from the microphone na me fa ne say me ni ono e na edi nkomo na me kan news ti da kwa na pa na me kotena ni nim saa so wa kan wi tade chie na o say me kotena ni na me kokan na nyame adom ye kotena ozo yengu ye ho ani mu ase etimi e kan since then na main show microphone no ebiem na ye di adwuma capital radio di rise ya to deputy me fi capital radio na in their system ni de na me deputy news editor and I'm the capital radio me fi capital radio no me call off kakra bi 1 year bi because if capital radio no Nsem bebre na ma ye di fi capital radio it's no na I say juma no be ya na wonye but that was the passion in me say me it's after a year no na o say the sign call ejuma no bi na he na me call it's fortunately that time na Clement Kageri e bi owo bi anso no so me da na se na ono na e ya Ashanti regional correspondent e ma Metro TV no no so eh me colleague and I'm senior e wo capital radio it's no new me the time na me deputy news editor that time no so first deputy news editor na your ranks Nti na onime. Nti me ni kodi nkomo se oh. Me person me sign be ye adwuma ni bi. No see why not? Beatrice we ni mo bra. No so that time not me who politics mu kakra. It's not a Dr. Samuel Sapon that time on na KMA boss. On na
okay.
KMA Dr. Samuel Sapon.
Okay.
Na Clement na any personal assistant.
Okay.
In those na I said political coloring bi aba na ho. Nti no ankasa onya time kra mfant na adwuma mu nye Metro TV adwuma no because oye more of KMA mayor adwuma ma no. Ti me call na cheso no so obi a me mai oni media metimi handle office ho ama no. Nti no me koye stories ni nyina ba e ko out koye stories ni ba me ye script ni wi na me di ama no. No wa hwem no de ni din atoso. No de quote said you no na ye stories sa na tie. Nti no eno so ne ye ne kakran science it got to a point na management of Metro TV ni who say he was into full-time politics no. And na omo ka ten say on resign na on pe obi ma on hye nanan.
Okay.
Nti ono be resign no recommend ye say be a year or two there. Me na me ye adwuma na just that he was the face of the station but ono na me na me ye adwuma no. So only obi obe recommend no than me.
Okay.
No recommend me na nyame adom. The co-interview. And at that time na area Makolache. On an air news editor for general manager news for Metro TV. So on a me interview. Mrs. Adio Miriam feed that I saw your interview. No question will be found many say Obabisi Albe handle a whole region as a correspondent. How can I manage it? And I'm saying I can manage it because also your bar and the whole Ghana Metro TV be a correspondent will be an or a managing. If so no or it me manage the whole Ghana reporters in men one region again. Miss Smith me a manage.
Okay.
Nti o share me confidence level no. Ena o ma ye fa me. But na ya fa say ya fa full-time staff.
Okay.
Ya fa as a contract staff. Ti we ye adwuma no. Bo so me so a stories do a wa ye no. Ya keka bom mu na ye de ko na wa ye be 15 stories na say 5 na at the end of the month no. The co TV so a. E no ho 5 no. E ye be hwe na ye bi betua oka.
Okay.
Ti enu mu na ye nenemu a so na emu papa na ye nene mwa ye de koye degree ya o Christian Service University.
Okay.
2017 and I'm 2017 June and I'm Christian Service degree. Ti me wie and I'm starting my national service. Na me fa KMA PR unit. At the point time me PR no got to a point na journalism na e ho do na free me. Okay. Nyame adum ti make asanso nti me here na am say okay na me specialize in public relations nti say me bi so na mpese me join media adwuma no kra media ni PR there I say atakaka ni atapanyi na say me da ho awo media field but maybe in a different part of way no nti me koye me national service okay me PR unit nti e ho no na fe me stress na me be fe be kwa national service. Now say Metro TV adwuma. Me ho mo so sika na na ye di ma that time no kra no. Na national service there no kra so sen no.
TV adwuma.
TV adwuma. Na ya ma pressure san na me say me jai TV adwuma no. Na me di madwen nyina ye me national service ni mpo se me wi bia na kwan bia ma me na maka KM ho PR unit ho no. Okay. See before that no so na TV 3 for bia bomidin a kire wo mu in a way am yan kasa me tia sa be me da na me dwen ho a me nim because nipa kro no fit no ye adwuma ye media person but onyo bia me kasa ye madamfo a me kasa me ni na di komo aka chen sa me ni adwuma fofra me pe o but adam me wo school a Christian Service no frame no so Beatrice ma boldin a kire nkofo bi o mo se o mo pe o ba reporter ma boldin a kire na me kuma se a me tumani a say you the one be na me say why nana ya baby obi onu sumi chance say o Germany okay na me say why media dwuma no me mpe biem na eye hwan moa say media general na me say media general dey na make okay because na me say anya hwe me no je say ya ye dwuma na eni mo ye ko out ayo hu say anya hwe wo pakro ye de ka be si wo mo hu so mo office at least hu so mo nyama bi esi so ewanim na me say why ke different media house bia kamenko but the trade media general dey omo frame a meko na mpa omo frame to me call interview be 3 or 4 about a year group different groups so na group we aba
media general
we did that so say your interview ni abe your interview maybe a change of executives bi be mu a still na me din ni da ho it's different set so ba e din ni da ho ni no mo so abeyo it's like kai pa we call interview verse 3 ewo that time na ye nyamba asko ha ne wo SIC STC STC building ni mu
okay
the Hong Kong me call 3 edum STC that time ho na TV3 started office akasa wo SIC ni mu omo ne de SIC bompata so mu fi ho no mba STC edum mu fi ho no mba askwa nti STC office ho no the call interview Hong Kong 3 different set of panel itafe mabe mu bui na me say adwuma no kra de nko adwuma na de bia we ba no abefro na wokọ do no abefro na wokọ to the last one me call en na enche dan interview I think na that time your general manager news Gabriel Bosomtwe no person who the face behind the name because no matimidin but no ni me nti oba Kumasi sometime bi na that time no me movie abaha ina oma that time news editor Kofi Dudu on feka say on frame no pese ohume ti me call no hu me o share me and say oh I've seen you, I've read about you. You have beautiful face.
Okay.
And your legs are beautiful.
Okay.
What the TV so are a year. Now it's not that we won't engage you, but maybe na.
Nka ko no na nka face ne legs na amfa
dia. TV dia.
Okay.
Sometimes I need to say radio. I say TV dia you need to get an appealing face.
Okay.
And because of say news no so I na bi ho aye gina ho na wo kan ni ade ni nti no. Ono fa ne say bia de bibi no samant na Kumasi akwa na obi o say me konkan news a e bia na me gina ho nti wona ye efe woni mu
efe ko twa prada bia ni una ho
na penso intellectually news so no so who say e betimi aye nti say ni na compliment me if they need to engage me nti that was it.
Okay.
And me di nyedwuma wo TV3 2018 before that na I resigning from Metro TV me resigning September 2017 na me me national service na the final call up na me di back TV3 no me started on frame me last week in January and first week in February 2018 me started adwuma.
Okay.
Hona mawa me di
yema etie fonti ase se yema me ye ne natwe nkomo yi eye media general Nsem wabon homodin pa ewo Nsem adwuma no mama odi afa o journey no mu 20 years na nyina me se wabon somre ama ye ba bia sha ase free ye ene ba bia na Ebeneza nyame de adui yansan ko ye chikakra enkohwe passion no at what age ena wankasa hu se oh Nsem adwuma na me pese me ye because obi ho no ma ne maame na be ka se oh me pese me hu so bi kan news o TV so me fentim pese bia me ba anti bia na se mama bene wa woye Nsem adwuma ya ade a wa wo fi wo pem na wo choose wo career
yes
na bra wo de to awofo anim so de no mo kafa
what's my make say me nyini no na me pe news
okay
na me hwe news it me who say omo kind that time na in boot said the TV station say bui that time na Beatrice Spio-Garbrah e kind news na eya me fe
okay
it me a me ka kire me who say me yes adwuma no it na me passion dey na ye tu either say me be TV so kind news na me nim say was be journalist but me nim say me say me tena TV so na me kind news and either say me call medical side ho no
okay
but at the point medical side ho no at a point in time me te kodae no me hu say na me ya ade momo brofo ni mu reading no any speaking no
okay
but about maths ne science na and then na me nya ade kra and then ni na kra de to ma no kra na say me ya pay ya to baby so me na me see no ade de bia me believe ni say ade no be ya no wa ye ni yie preko wonye so a wonye
okay
nti no say me ha no science ne mboa me maths ne mboa me dia me fa me ni nche the other passion no journalism work no nti me catch my wo for me kai say omo popo omo because me general arts
okay
into general arts so dey say no so e twako dey na me pese me ye no nti time na me catch me maame ne papa say o me ha na me pese me di mani chire no o ma popo na o mo maame ko school a me di re maame di abedru sabre
enti ahwe nkoma a woni atwe ni nyina de fa o journey 20 years akwantu won sentwere adwuma no mu a waka no ben prensa so edu baabi ma ba mu bui edu baabi na me pese me jai edu baabi kwa de me jai kra ne sa how ben pa na wa fa mu sentwere ni a afa de edu baabi na hu ne se no adwuma we de me pese me de to baabi.
Well, also, the BIA can say media, journalists, we are the fourth estate of the realm. The kind of a fair. But most times, no, I can't hear what say, a demand central for Momodio Mojuma. The free space, I was say a demand Momodio Mojuma. Most times, I am not in the hole. Into the capital radio, may shall see any day. Maybe I'm sure if you name we at least minimum say, Swan. Ye bet you America. Ye bet you our snakes in the amount. But a dream may be no challenges by financial challenges because of political coloring of capital radio.
Okay.
Into affect the revenue or capital radio. Into affect no be jumana na ye into yauka. It's no na fe e mo ayedin. E na ye jumano ways now ye no so we ye now you be a ompe asra like all stress strengthening force unyeska.
Okay.
Because one kasa utanye ya baby oye adwuma na o pay ni nye nti de bia pesa o sere nkofo and now they are support and then to keep up because o ko baby ni about din Beatrice Spio-Garbrah people expect that oh wa shata de way wa dress way or you suka way or personality bi but e bia na o so that time ka baby oye adwuma no krampo no aketua ni ho and o keep up sa personality into where den once ra o ye oba na chese o say o ye use ways and means to appear presentable, look nice near there. But now I want to say, looking nice near is not coming from where Jumana or Yeno Nema way looking so nice. No, but also and then generally, no, Ghana has say no be brave. How no mass and and chop would be a carry your honor. Go phone we but just what go phone we because on who journalist now. When you say we go no be strena there. Into the will be see Omo beka sano cramp e demeaning. Obi o kwa ye journalist ni bi dawo but nyame adum be bia na efie adwuma ni mu akoye e bia corporate relations and we grow into different field no. Ohu ni nyonko journalist ono ankasa ye journalist ni bi da kwa na o look down upon the person because of the way I carry your honor.
Okay.
Into na ama nipa bebre mu journalist.
Okay. So
into no a do point bi na fa I am saying me njai kwa na me kope. Before.
Okay.
What I say.
Okay. It's over kind of first salary as a journalist. Akatua didn't kind power oje. Na sign up be mo na oje sa akatua.
Ebe 2003 anymore. They call Capital Radio. I think 100 cedis or 150 Ghana cedis.
100 cedis.
Aye.
Can na kai 1 million.
1 million.
Okay.
Aye. 2003 that time. As a 150. Yemu baako. Because I know so na my year national service match me check akra wo once na ye de me to payroll so na obi aba enrechi ye yote ye na cheso no gi be 2.5 or 200 echi me that time na my sister German na eti ase nti me kasa ma ote se ni pay sabi o even sen ko betu me wo edwuma nim me can exposure na me we exposure na se na ofri hi na be enrechi ye ya Oji pay see me, but at a point in time, see Obiani any Obiani favor and media man. That was what she was entitled. Insinia the man. Nana must make me 150 na sa. I think omutumu, but me refi. Omutumu and sana. Ye di ba be free honum 2006 2007 na. Me di free honum.
Eti oba we adwuma obi ehun se we adwuma na wo ji akatua tesa se de waka no. Na wontimi asre no na wo ye den akatua wo je edi akita wo na ye den na wontimi krakra wo.
Okay, that time no na me nyini sese te se de me nyini na me ne maame ne papa ne da hote nti anya beduane a obedi light bill ne water bill ne nya me bedding.
Okay.
Na nyame adom na maame so ye adwuma nti at least ono so timi e support me papa so na oni Ghana.
Okay.
Na wa kwantu me nti no ho kire crowd timi a friend so de bia that diminis kind no be support o kakra that time ni mo But that time ni mu nyina no so no be o friend solid. It will call out now call stories sir. That time na Capital Radio ejidin that time ni Capital Radio that is to send me media houses no about TV3.
Yeah.
Yes, It will call out now cause we Capital Radio call story ni we abo se na panyin bi e bia na amount ana be bia program na call ye no yes you monjin fanfa ka. Nti eno no na wo de beso so ho so sana. Bosome ne beso a obenya kakra but when you say den ya okofia o ma me no papa so aye bia ne kakra ofia obekwa akodi nti na akodi die free mo chansi.
Okay. Yenim sade ba ko ha mapa ye nyin nsɛmtwerɛfo nto nkyɛm sɛ nwuma bebree mu ewu mu no ene fa to beje golf. Bia mama no nya bibia ansa na bia mama opposition ana ne saa nneoma no wo as a female journalist saa ha no wo hia bi da na wo hia bi da na ho asɛm ne te sɛn
Shia de me shia bi. Because men shia bi me ka se men shia bi na me twa ntro. Me shia bi.
Okay.
But na me ka say ebi won so ayaye senya ye ma no so ayaye sikari yo.
Okay.
So atase. Nti se nipa no ono okasa 1 2 na ohwe na wonye interested so obejai.
Yeah.
Ana oka na wan so no so a ontimi me personally de obi mu kan but me fi wo. Sisan ke bia sa drinka with 20 years in Kavaka so me dine I'll be very proud to say like I said I had 20 years me dine but me nibi. Me nibi. But no enya me ya because they said that na ye dim komo na ka be 20 years after 20 years no the me nya nyina no e bia na afei na nyankopon be kukuru ni nyina e dia to abomi but share the ye share bi and se on se be man so be yes na e wo de wo ya wo ba na nkasa so ye ho so hu se wo frefre no ana one ne siri bi wo sere ni bi a e man courage e man yes we cry bia be koka kra but me koya me story we are that is it ye twem wo me fra obi a me bisa say honorable pacho ho to say nti me politicians na fo bi some say as a politician be na ye madam fo me ni bi.
Okay.
Ba ko mienu bi pe na meka say bia over the years no o ma show so mo ye decent o mo fa sa de na initiative no metimi abom din that we ye madam fo we ye madam but from time am ye adwuma be pin sa bri me ne kofo mo ye adwuma president let's go for that time na so many ministers the DC is near the bebre adwuma because of na adwuma na me ye JE mails that time na me ye Nsem train no so be firm koi asana John Mahama so abefemu akọ na sese ya na na do so abefemu akọ obi se me mbo penyi bi pa o shada ye madam fo na sese ni se ya ni bi me dey ne say I'm doing my work me area that is it me pesa how ni bebre na tag na tare ho aya na hadwe
yes o de tag no aba Ghana ha ye ka slay queens a ye bo 5 a ebenya ye nuanom centrofo binum a omudi ebepiem ye ka se centrum for maye e ma sebe omo ye hukubra ana se etoda omo jantra bra obaji atum
difficult to answer but omo hwe ye ne omo tie ye no they know them and I young kasan central for mana ye wo no so ye nim ye nkofo omo yesa
okay
enya me na me be ka se beja tuma na se me jintu
okay
but omo hwe ye omo tie ye omo nim and me nim how it happens so we can answer ka dey we so dey ka ye bi enu ye kwhye dem na ye ye o kokwamu ade nta ye dem na omo timi wie na pie ye bobodin omo timi si table na ye bobodin oh wait ko ehoye wait ko ehoye so ati ase the way ya nkasa no the portray ye ho it could be true it could be false but sometimes it's the way ya ye ho so ati ase because that am making I hear na bi muje but look at the way ya bi mu ye wo mo ho nti obi a be bisa say na the way de nko an na wo ya eti say so ehu nti me de me ntimi nka say omo ya do mo ye but omo mo hwe ye no na omo mo tie ye omo ho ye TV so di social media ne ade no obi o ha obo ni din aye wo de to aso
okay
south de be channel obo ni pass me si din na ye wo din aye de to so ma no ye the way ya ono a project no ho ama nkofo aso ma e koma no but ye omo
okay e kan ba ko so etare central form ma ho ne se ye ntimi nware omo a mbe ware na ware ne nche bi mu so ho no ma kra Etisa na satisa de na ya na ma ne basa.
Fambia no cre. Personally. I've had people saying that or you overly exposed.
Okay.
She am penny for. She attitude. It is a bear man yet very confident in himself. True. Say, hey, now we end up at the only way penny way qua. Omuko conference way, Omutu quine, Omuko workshop way. Such as say, no, a bear how. But we also so feel say you need time. Maybe also said you make a baby, but majority of a member per bar of a coffee baby no. Or no bearman the cobebano. Not or in the sense that they be on crown or bow fear of a shark cry or bow fear or be keep fee or bow fear or quajuma cry or no upon bar or be ye and that kind of thing. Yes, ye jume young corner yaba holidays, ye womb weekends, ye womb just say they be a Christmas to Ido fit to yetum.
Okay.
Into one kwenye bema otewa se pa say minim say adwuma we na oba na ye ya shadow ye ho me ye sei misu ono so be ye sei na ate ye ho ase a eha na ya ama na nkasa nso no so me blame yenso ye ho bi because of mpanyimfo na ye hia wo because of exposure na ye wo no so nti aya na ahobrase enim.
Okay.
What I say nti onim say na wo kra wo ye ho I say me ye favor di kra na me no a date last 2 weeks na ye program bi wo radio station bi so women in media.
Okay.
The challenges of women in media. Lady Bako, asama okai. O se ono o sha se foforo no. Na onye obi tu ne fo. Ka tan say, me di ne kosro no. Onye very careful na di ne run it. Nti so nya ne so ne die no fu se ni pa ne ye okay a. Ono ne nware na onwo. E se bedru stage bi no be hia big people nti wo hia wo no. Na settling on one no. So very difficult.
Okay.
Into one channel, not just we do stage beer, Senyame ambemua, na aye den dia ma. Into no, different things na. Eke kamboma, ede basa, ye ka ho. Na e mema no munye so confident no so no, no so ka ho.
Okay.
Ope oba so me kofia, me ko adwuma beba no. Na ofi. Ye de bia na me ko adwuma de it me affect relationship kra.
Personally, baby and some trade may affect you.
Oh yes.
Okay.
So we knew how that. The beer you're on the move.
Okay.
Not the confidence level, but I say the beer you're on the move. Because say me back TV3 na emoye mreka because there were other reporters in Tiache. But that time Metro TV no, I am in Kwan. Intino the beer, so you need to be there. Intimiana if you got to a time I'm a pair and cram me and say be coming home. Na fi mu ye mreka krade man. It is what is that you have to be there. What is that space here? You have to be there. What is that space here? You have to be there. It's not a pressure bawa nkasa oni pediano so. But fortunately TV3 there. Your other reporters were into no oh faha na way faha na way fa na nyina ya kekabo na ye the peja station no. Into personally me I've had my own share.
Okay.
Affecting me okwan bi so. Ebi wo kra wadam for kra betimi aka say oh me madam for nice lady bi o. Oh very good relationship we not can juma or Nsem training there 4 or 5 times.
Okay.
And they will come back and tell me that hey Beatrice nice guy be come link na ma wo so me nya kan ya o see adwuma na wo ye me nya kan ya o see adwuma na wo ye na me say me so adwuma ni me adwuma me ye say me ntai me adwuma na me ye na.
Okay.
What I say.
Okay.
If you do stage bi no obi bisa be ye di adwuma me see me tonsuo.
I say no poncho or pump
no.
Okay.
Me small side kakra.
Oh, okay.
And oluma na hwema me nti sese kwa de me nsa me nkasa ye media me say oluma na dia.
Okay.
Nti afei obi bisa me say na oye de adwuma me se ka chen say me tonsuo.
Okay.
En kan chen say me Nsem training pra ka chen say me tonsuo. Nti no if the person is interested that ono nam kakanka ka onya hu suban ni wi na oye say adwuma we ya. Okay any scare no. But onya kan no first pa na onya obi a ye ni abriso person ogina na na so person ni movie a e betimi a scare no. The confidence no so putting me money be brave off. But yes, I need it.
Yes, I need it. Okay. You share your stories so far. 20 years. What kind number of stories are you putting out there?
Minkai.
Okay.
Capital Radio. Na me business news. and I do my years, young Casso, or speciality. Me and my try cover niche before myself that to me, dear, I should be associated with either health or disability. But a do point to be no baby, me metro TV, me cover politics, me cover business, me cover galant, just a baby, me because 1,000 and now 1,000, me baby. But me kai say me who say me per health na me ntimi anye health no the imagine say okay enemy wo my second passion which is journalism one me the attention be call health more into one say over the years no so me fan say my 1,000 stories from time I'm share adwuma yaso be premonia bet me akasa about 70% of my stories no be hu health kakra be hu disability kakra wo be hu ema ho nsem kakra wo me pe politics but me pe political reporting nti me stories amaye de me nkai but stories so aya e de ni gia bank ofo abrabom asolve your problem so de nyame adom nti etimi aye bi amankofo ni ati
yeah now because say your biggest story
and my first story no my project and I said the project say enmity has to say bibinti say me jai Nsem adwuma na me da na forever now be some say story be na Beatrice so yeah you feel fulfilled as a journalist akrabi no omo yentafo na ne nan kakra no wo mu wa ben pa but na ne nan right no deformity wo mu into no oko school there but na intimi mane oko school ntem to a point in time kra no pese ojai school no na me teacher bi o chema de wo Kumasi girls ehu akra no wo infensi intensary no say ade de mema Beatrice abehwe ni ahwe kwan ye be fa so e be boa akra na ma ne nan no se bibi wo kwa ye betimi aye a se ekohwe no so na chese ehu pa na ye de djuma na ye ni ntie doctors ni bi na mfo afan na me de akra ne ba ye first story ni wie ti be ye story ni wie na me frɛ madam for doctor bi Dr. Kunedu ye boa o konfanochi ni ye frɛ no na o Beatrice aya fa ne bra na me nhwɛ ne nan o orthopedic kono mo hwɛ mu kasa mu ni ade it no call ya na chese na tinti na ne se o si twa nan because o mo ntimi nye ne hwe akwa so de o na na neti na o na na se omo de no call St. John of God Hospital do ayan kwanta and also me orthopedics sa e mo can the same thing chair but na akwa papa say on pene ma ye ntwa ne ba ne nan no e na akoto so mienu na fe say ye betwa na say ye ntwa ade no so di akra ne dem to mo ka say ye ntwa so be do point bi na akra na obechi akra nti obetena wheelchair mu ti eni akra ne kasa ye frɛ papa no wa akra ma me ne frim nti ona na ba e na ona ne ti wo intensely ho na eni omo kasa ya na tese so ye gitum na ye twa nan na sika so we hin ye wo say ye de koye saade nti a story na ye no that time na ye general manager wo Kumasi say Patrick me de ko tu na nim na ono so plan ye be ye appeal e wo ye radio so Akoma FM na me am na for kakra bi so mo share story no Kumasi girls for ahema for so boa me ye di gis kakra sa na ye nyeska na ye de ko twa akra ne nan na o see she no prosthesis because artificial leg no na nyame adom she na artificial leg it is our story no e di ye be 1 year from time me hu akra no na ye ne story no first one no ye appeal for funds na e di ko twa ne nan no kwa na o say take be 6 months na e hiri kra se be ya o mo de e nan foforo no hye na e kro ni si twa from ne kotodwe no nti osokotodwe no so de wa hwa out na nompe ne o ho no enye nompe keto nti oso ho ni hiri yie pansa na o mo de cap na o mo de prosthesis ni besi so no e de ahye nti no so take time ansa na e hiri ba ni nyina ya mpaba na ye ko from Kumasi to intensely ni akodua ya nkwanta oko reviewer na me ne ko se bibisina se me amintimi nkwa a omusika na me na ewo me ho na ma send ya mo nana no na nana no ne ko na me ne doctor na kasa saa kopim time a na me ya admission ne prestige so di hospital ho be 2 months so say ayi koyi no e de ne be fi ase say oko school pepe.
Okay.
Nyame ya aduma epe kwa afia no obetro ibi si ni bi ntino.
Okay.
Eno ni ade ameka say e kama koma say mitimi use me platform de boya Princess Deborah. Nyame ayi na aduma otan jane na. Ena akraba akonso eno ma me send me message me ni gye pa me bat me three for na mu na spinal cord no. Before me to be o hunti no wa chia.
Okay.
Hwe ne ogina ho say ya na o toddler be no nya 1 year.
Okay.
Ba ogina ho a wo hwa na ne wa chia. Na different form of deformities and so. Na so no so ye no surgeries bebre. O ma me no so ni ho akade. Na so ye be story na so ye di akira appeal for funds kakra ye di akira na nyame ya aduma. Akra no so ye no surgeries ni nyina wi aka na last surgery a obekọ akoye na eyi metals bi a ye de hyehyehye ni mu no. They say we di be 6 years a. The mama ne send the pictures me akra ni go school.
Okay.
And no. And no gives you some form of joy. Say at least we dey bi o ha we ye but if we ni di akire. Ebi on so so we ya o we dey o person do any di akire hwe. Bebi be kwa akosi. Nti o ha mama ne betwem ne nyina a che say me ba TV3 kwa 5 years ni. But mama ne o wa keep in touch.
Okay.
Auntie be here to say oh yeah. Nti eno who say me di to me status say me di me 20 years no. So God bless you for also that God should bless you for helping my son. God used you to help my son.
Okay.
Okay. Some of these things there's not a touch of Princess Deborah me can say whom your friend TV3. Me di kra wan kai. Nti se bia me fra na me nyomo kasa. Na phone no use nti fire grandma TV3 na friend no nti me di no po wan kai. Abrewa no so o ma na wa frɛ. Oh, I want to say that Chaba Bosome, na mamma and Nsem can pay. Obeframe me be na TV3 o moye. Yet on can't you to one by sort of a family. Jumeya muna yenya sa ayonko fan.
Nti ni nyina mu no awards. Dodo saying na Ediabro.
Benya best reporter on health Ashanti. Best reporter HIV/AIDS Ashanti. Ana menya Enkophobia from Article 91, a international organization be, and also only awards be, na me file be, and cry we can say, oh, filing, you we know so Konya award. Na me file ye. Also, you need correctional center or Ashanti region, juvenile correctional center.
Yeah.
It is a BBS sina a cranny a juvenile. Most times, near who baby was here, dear Moko. That time, so ne, you won't cry, say for home craboni school. Oh, a quetia line ho baby, as one see honum. Everything when they were by I say, what's her cry? Namkoye sa story. Na, I don't say mammy award. Sana, COVID by a could be an international organization, from Make Foundation.
Okay.
Almost so say, any stories on COVID-19. Na, and also, a story be on nose masks. Also, near nose masks, na we are near attraction basa. But now, only doctors, need health experts, who didn't come. We now touch neighbors, and I just say, yeah, because virus no woman in no, as I say, and also that one, and also so on danger opposite to the environment. And also, yes, our story, and also last year, Make Foundation and so Boma Basso for the story for the TV category now, and also Boma Basso. For now, they make us say 4.
Okay.
Nyame adom who say asia nominate me for ba ko bi so Saturday di eni ma ebe.
Okay.
Ye hwe say nyame de no so ebe dom ye ya. Na ye who say at least edwuma na ya ye no yakobebre. Na nso kakra ye so ebetimi de a kire ni say ye ya ye no de ye so ye show ni eno na.
Yenhwe Nsentropho nkabomuko ahodo a ye wo Ghana ne kesepa Ghana Journalist Association. Ushe ekuo ni nhyehyɛ a omudi gu akwan mu a female journalist ene Nsentropho nyina as a whole ya sitena mu ye yiedie ne ye sikasɛ mu no obaka sɛ are they doing a good job?
On say GJ nankasa no enye unionized body. Eno na ompanyfo na try some person fighting ne be unionized body. Eno sa no omutimi pray for better conditions of service for journalists. But and to say, betimi wie saa de ne de. Omuntimi empre be bring famaye. At best, you met me and say Yakobo journalist be no may issue press release to condemn it. And International Press Day na oma kan na say omo ye trainings in so I say.
Okay.
Omo ye trainings in so kakra de boa journalist na in the whole. Nti no. Ni na ka ho ne ade a GJ no eye. Nti me gidi say omo kun say nko betimi aye unionized body me say eno CPA e betimi aboa ma o betimi afight for enema bebre e de ama journalist e be boa ye adwuma ye living conditions ni general working conditions na.
Okay. Eti said you can press freedom. Should I da ponda ba ku si o central for fa hu de central for fa hu de Ghana central for ye fa hu de. Who fa hu de.
Okay, me ubisa me a like I said dia baby me medwuma ni mini chere no enti me de mini obi anya asem.
Okay,
but se unua ho ka wonso ho aka ye wenuanu mu bia because of omo de ne investigative journalism na omo expose corruption ne niam bia mpanyufo ye ne nti no aya na omo ye target to attacks any sa eniama no aha nti wo share ratings aya eba you who say your ratings no tiana ethical form because you who say press freedom etiba form aha nti no akwenya wo ho say e betimi aboa man semtwefo benya that freedom na omuhia no e de be ye omo adwuma no say be ya ye rating say country a first ni what the freedom to operate Ghana you say we have that freedom no but say the ratings no eba ya na enye very positive nti no means me nka say enye because ye nuanu bi ho akire wo mo ebepem ne kra ebi mo awu investigation no kra ye nim baby a akwa.
Okay, what high moments as a journalist and lowest cry as we dear and your cry 20 years journey no more everything.
Hi. The high moment da because Princess Deborah Free Hospital.
Okay.
Na odini tito me ha. Me kokoku say. I have that picture. Me say nyame e madowa me free me. Odini tito me kokoso ha no. You could see that nini aji. I no see. Say me na mankofo rehwe me biem. Me na ma me mferi biem. Me kai pa the first day I me de ne call St. John of God Hospital. You drew ho no. OPD ho no. Ama. Senya obia si hwe akra no. Because na senya osinante no. Ehu. Nti ono akasa no kra na kele ne self confidence nti ona ma ne tisisi form. Ntimi mpagya ne ni hwe ni pa ni because on pesa obehwe no abehwe ne tebia no. Aha. Nti ye ne bibia ewie na that day ne yekoyi na free hospital. Osimeni agi. Nda ma me mferi biem. Obia nhwe me biem. First me ndai no kra na me di ko school na me di third. Say me di third biem, me di first. I will say that because it is my project. So story any day, any time. It makes me happy. But I don't know the told me say no. And I felt how happy she was, no. Like I said, it was my high moment in journalism. My low moment sometimes oko out now share the condition now and cry. Ayana are
okay.
Me su de bia if you how can now share my mini share the situation now share said you are baby a wawona ana emobo nti yakwana me anka sma sen yiska am sign dey ama aha say bibi a hit me aka say me jai ne dey na your conditions of service na that time na enye no but obi can say no where cool aha but me call out me hwe nkran ketwa omo bre because of yare maybe ana health insurance omo yare no mo yare health insurance mpon cover ne ma me no so ne papa no so ye wiemfo bi a chese omo nim ni omo chi omo ntimi mfuti sa biel na wo so omo tua na it brings that yawo no areho no na obi san say your cry then ye ji wo wiase na kraketwa or breast anti. I said those are my low moments.
So 20 years ahead, who said Obekoso Nsem Treduma na Sabre na Hina who said Bebo Beatrice Spio-Garbrah no na wado he Nsem Treduma ni nyina ye wo man Ghana ha no 20 years who ni say bedru he.
Okay, mama starting free baby Nsem Treduma ni nyina bedru he no. Nipa bebre ni ti first no kra na on time who say Nsem Treduma for your degree o. Except you ko na kwanchan school bia o say journalist.
But yeah.
Yes, I say no bia ya na ni you say eh mama ko your degree.
Okay.
O your degree ni wie ya o say o your masters. So I just say and now bia who say or having no for some form of training. It may be with time no professionalism na ye pe no. Ye pese ye hu no. E bebe mu pa. And adeba ko biom so me person come hu that specialization no ye ni wa ha ni na ye ni wa ha is because of nipa ka kra bi na ewrasa in central Germany.
Okay.
Aha, in fact say be a newsroom na some ye for wa untimi ko ka say wo for the health nko na say wo be report e wo say ye bibia bi but wo ye bibia bi na I have the passion to do it no so ni ho what to the make but so specialized to say me say a specialized na maka say me the health na me pe no me ye any health story bia na me di me hu na rem intadana Kofi Asante kura ka say on time stories so but ba ko bia obeye no e de unya impact no now see that is how it should be it auto bo no wa hye ne fefe fente to ho no mo a na story no na ahome but so to the make into specialization ni be mu a ebwa na wa ankasa wo sua de wo sa field na wo specialize wo ho no say yen newsroom say oba na ankasa obi or report wo politics a what kind I because say advancing because what the idea na say it dey bia na ni di echi because the health me ebebo me din because me pay nti e ho na me dey ko nti no I'm just praying and hoping say with time you know we a journalist carve a niche for yourself say e ha na me dey obey general reporting ni nyina bi and you can't take it away from it but ba ko bi ho no ma na nya obebi
okay
me nya say no na
ye bodia na no ni di echi.
Okay. It's me also me my water magia. Like I said in health or environment. Ena e ma me sa award. Me nji political reporting award bia. Ena me nkoji business reporting award bia. But the imagine na no e related to health na. Me concentrate on and I say most of my journalism work no. Me passion no. E dia kwa question. Me ankasa de 20 years in the media industry no means make I say I and I said baby. But if I will be in the media industry there, then I'll be in the management level. Yes. Because I don't know be can say radio must be run by radio people. So it's radio na see and not to be managing ye. So if I'm even to be in the media space in the next 20 years now, then everything about this industry, no, not just in the today be a group CEO or what's now or managing media general. If you are not reduce our level, maybe now that top management level decision making now, yeah, they about the media space, you know. If I am to be in the media space now, that is where I want to see myself.
In your next world, Okombedo so be science and trade
and the baby.
I
don't have anything to show for it. 20 years, me celebrate me because I think that nyamini me edini me celebrate me because ye kwa up and now be brebe na kwanhia no nyame adom me hia bi da me celebrate me because they said they making nyame adom metimi abo 1 2 3 4 nkofobia because of my story omabrabo asista enkra omenya improvement in their lives. But so personally, some is come me water my accounting. Bini me see dine. Just say, intino 20 years. Obviously, come kwa ya be man come here director. Obviously, no academic field and keep crack as have come here professor. But men can say enyo. It be most 20 years no. Oma make it. If you be omo fire, patch me bro. Okay. Baby omo fire no. Ebia omo that 20 years no. Enyama fa ye ma wo.
Okay.
Nti no omanya bibi ometimi di omonse so aka say adwuma ya ye na ama yenya saade ebi a men hyase no man hyase e wo baby a na maketu ya ye nti bobi aka say bi that time ni nyina na the stepping stone me tie aboba bi so dia be fru baby at osoti ase
okay
nti no eniama na enye from ahyase no but metimi di me say me bo aka say eniama improve my brabum me join it to the theory
okay
men ka say ho ye heaven no but o hwe eniama omo atoto ahyehya at least wo so men so ye me nka say bo so me aso pay ma even in the midst of the covid no na nkofo yi edie bebrebe no ye nyi edi na ye pay ba ye betua hospital o yare obeko hospital so ata say eniama nketinkiti bi o ha say bi anka me hye edwuma na se no na nke bi asanyama we nyina me nya bi wo bebi a me hye ase nyina free ya ke bi anka metimi aka say 20 years no committee bi me sa pinpoint bi aka say we na me nyai but hope is not lost yenim de ewo yenimu a nya me de be ma yen
so oba wo yen nsem twerɛdwuma betima na rese won fa we some means akwanua sa so fa de sere bi anka ho a wo betumi de abobra e wo Ghana ha mana ye ni bisa wo from a ma point of view because okay
nyame ne yebuafo se nyame ye wadom na wukunu ebe support o dia wo be ye na resi unya partner otewase na mo nware ye kra but unya partner oni say o partner ni otewase o be support wa obetimi aye ne resi so do stage beyond me ka say won fa boyfriend and say bi o fa boyfriend a otewase ono so betimi a support but so ko shase fi baby a te se baby a na me ye a me pese me body na openi nye na say enye wow moral beliefs bia it's difficult very difficult because kesa na oji 350 Ghana cedis as at 2017 na me jai 350 Ghana cedis 2017 to be sound say na den na ebetimi dia ye
okay
so ati it is an enye be me bi na eboa say o partner wo ne wo ho nti onim so me support my girlfriend and abibia ebe ye kona fast betwa kaka now they are so ama and never na so ye wan kasa so say o pese o ye wabo abrabo say you live according to what you have obviously cut your coat according to your size but if my size is big and my material is smaller how do I cut it so you cut it according to the material that you have. Inti se me hwe na me say 350 no se gobe na metimi atedi a me di gobe no me nka se me ba he Kent Cup na ba beto smoothies ai bia 50 cedis you get it inti se ya nka sa no kra ye nyini ba no ana ye adwuma no si ye hu say I earn this amount inti let me do what that 350 cedis can do e ma won koye ni amebi but on said the keeping up no you person you show be say you okay so na ye okay na ye nkofo compete unnecessarily no eno na ma ye nyina bebre na go into other nyame bi mu because madam fu ahye we uni kwan madam fu ne share no also person o hye bi nti no obeye we obekwa akobọ bra bi eni kwan se obo nti ni nyina aka ho se wo obe manage wo de ne kakra de wo na wetimi abo abrabo no na wotia tight anyankopon nim kwan be fa so obe mo wenye sika ti aya tia tight 350 ni kra na yetia tight nkakra
okay
wo hu na obi a choose kanye sika o che so de bepe wo but na me na in a way no will let somebody dash you money
okay
now what they are to us
am I better say ene unkomo yet na say e wo Kent Cup Cafe Shop megide se wo ye oba wasi so na pese wo ye nsem twerɛdwuma enkomo we ebeboa pa ama ohu kwan a befa so no waye adwuma no aye ne yi a wonyi dimbone e wo adwuma no bidin ade ama se wa sapo wo hwɛ yen e wo Akoma 87.9 FM ena fe Akoma TV e wo YouTube aseda e ko e de ama Kent Cup Cafe Shop se abrebia o ma baby kama etena Emma yetumidi nkoma emu ode ede esomwo say ya cafe tea smooth